Welcome to Click to Pro with Inaligu. Today I'll be showing you how you can combine more than one PDF together. Let's go in and learn. Do well to subscribe, please. Turn on your notification. Let's go in and learn. Now, first of all, you will open your Google Chrome, either from your system or from your phone. This method works. So it is for both system user and phone user. Now, you will search for I love PDF. I love PDF. Now, once you search for I love PDF, the first one option there, which is www.ilovepdf.com, is what you will click. Now, once you click on ilovepdf.com, it will open it for you. Okay. Now, you will click on the three lines by the top left corner. Click on the three line by the top left corner. Then next, you will click on Merge PDF. All right. Click on Merge PDF. After you click on Merge PDF, the next thing you would do is select PDF files. Select PDF files. Then you are going to select more than two or three PDF we want to combine together. Number one, I will use this. 2, 3, 4. Then I'll click select. Once I click select, you are going to see all the 4 PDF here. This is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, and then this is number 4. Now, if you wish to make any one the first page, you can drag it. Okay, let's say the first one, I want it to be the last. I can keep dragging. Okay, I'll keep dragging until I make it. Okay, I think it's okay. Now that is the last. Now that is all I need to do now is to click on Merge PDF. Once I click on Merge PDF, that is all. Download Merge PDF, and we are done. Okay, we are done. Do it to subscribe to this YouTube channel to learn simple basic skills that make you valuable